I'm Chili Phil, and this is Phil the Burn. Happy International Hot Sauce Day, everybody. Today is going to be first of a couple videos, but since I'm at work, I'm only going to do one. But it's going to be Angry Goat Pepper Pink Elephant Hot Sauce. It's a cranberry ghost pepper hot sauce. It has cranberries, apple juice, concentrated water, apple juice, puree, cane sugar, habanero peppers, red bell peppers, apple cider vinegar, jalapeno peppers, ghost pepper mash, pomegranate juice, fresh ginger. Yeah, it's going to be a good one. Get this thing open. Great. Kind of smells. You can smell the cranberries in it. It's not as good as I thought it was going to be, but it's still relatively sweet. I mean, and then the heat's starting to build up a little bit from the ghost peppers on the backside, but it's still not bad. Not as good as I thought. Definitely not as good as I thought it was going to be. Thought it was going to be a little bit more delightful with more cranberry flavor, but it is what it is. Until next time, everybody, I'm Chili Phil, and this is Phil the Burn.